Now, when the product is cooking, obviously, if you're used to a more liquid, true, fluent batter-based pancake, it's going to be poured out through, a device like this, a pitcher, what have you, and it's going to obviously cook a lot faster. A lot of that's from the flour blend that's used to make that product. So we need to just give this time. So what are we trying to do to the product? We obviously are cooking it. We're changing the physical properties of this mixture so it's something we can eat and enjoy, and that's mainly, changing the properties of the starches and the proteins, letting the chemical leavener go to work. So at this point, normally with a very thin batter-based pancake, you'll see a lot more bubbles. Here you don't see as many, but I'm going to just start taking a peek and seeing how it feels. And if it starts to feel firm, I'm going to flip it over. This one obviously is going to take a lot longer, and it may not even cook in the center because it's so tall. So I'm going to get underneath with the spatula, and I'm just going to flip it, and you can see there is color. So now if I want, I can actually press it down to encourage it. Obviously the color is not the same, but I can always flip it back. Now I'm going to check this one. It feels firm as I get the edge of the spatula under the edge of the pancake. Now can I check it in another spot? It's good. So now I can see some bubbles that have formed. Go under and then quickly turn. When you turn, don't waste time. Get in there, flip it over fast, and we're good to go. So now we need to let it cook the rest of the way on the second side. And I may flip it back over. If your color isn't what you desire, that can be adjusted by thinning out the batter, maybe adding a little extra sugar to the batter if you want more color. But we're letting it just change the physical properties of this batter to become what we call a pancake, because that's basically what it is. It's a griddle cake. So I'll take a look at this first one again. Starting to get some color, but obviously you can see the difference in the two in the diameter. They are bubbling up, and that's a good sign, but now we just have to let it cook for probably about 2 to 3 minutes on average once it's flipped over. And if you have to take one and break one open as a test, you always have samples to try, but you want to make sure that the majority of the moisture has evaporated out of the product, and you can see that in some of the color difference.